Hello there, little lady. I'm looking for a good time and so on.
Yeah.
That's right.
With the soul brother.
That's right. I'm back, bitch. Fucking A.
That's true. Sister with the soul brother. Yeah.
Bitch. S to the T to the rest of the letters. I like shirts, I don't like sweaters. My name is MC Hawking and I is broken. Bitch.
I'll give you pleasure.
That sounds nice.
Oh.
That was nice. Now for the main course. You fucking bitch.
Kiss me.
I can't.
Squeeze me.
I can't.
Take me.
I can't.
Yeah.
No.
Kiss me.
I can't.
Squeeze me.
I can't.
Take me.
I can't.
Yeah.
No. Supersymmetry was first considered for removing infinities in matter fields and Yang-Mills fields in a space-time where both the ordinary number dimensions and the Riemann dimensions were flat and not curved. Bitch.
That's true. Foxy sister. That's true.
Big it up to the THC posse. I am a smooth pimp daddy. I know where it's at. My chair is electric and so is my cat.
Me over and so on.
Kiss me.
I can't.
Squeeze me.
I can't.
Take me.
I can't.
Yeah.
No.
Kiss me.
I can't.
Squeeze me.
I can't.
Take me.
I can't.
Yeah.
No. The universe is a super membrane. It's folded space and time. 11 dimensions fold and tighten it, but not as tight as my rhymes.
Too much violence in Southeast Fair, niggers and wiggers fighting over territory, and it makes me aware that there's too much violence in Southeast Fair. Too much violence in Southeast Fair, niggers and wiggers fighting over territory, and it makes me aware that there's too much violence in